We got a massage the other week and it made it a lot better, so I think I've just got to keep doing that to break up the bloody muscle, bloody scarring. Yeah, it's a lot better than what it was. It still gets a little bit sore on that heel, mainly because I favour it so much, but yeah, nowhere near as bad as what it was when I was at your joint last. Yeah, bring it back in the Donnellys. Well, here we are. I popped in to see my cousin Breton, who lives here in Duck Ponds.
I don't live here.
Oh, you don't know, but we stopped here. This is a good thing about trucking, isn't it? That we can just run into each other and get the whole family Christmas stuff out of the way.
Yes, we can try.
Yes. It means that we don't actually have to catch up with the rest of the family for the rest.
We will eventually.
We will eventually, but here we are. We're bloody at Duck Ponds here. Yeah, yes. Breton's at his big tipper. I'm actually holding him up at the moment by doing this video, but judging by how much weight you put in that thing,
yeah, I'm a lot heavier.
He's going to hold me up the rest of the way because I'm lucky to have 7 tonne of tractors on. Anyway, so Merry Christmas, Brenton.
Merry Christmas to
you. Yes.
And I'll most likely see you in a couple of days.
Yeah, in a few days' time. Yeah, we'll have a coupler.
Have a coupler.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes,
and I feel like you need to wash your truck also. When are you going to get around to doing that, Brent?
I washed it the other day, but
that's not good enough, is it?
Because it rains all the time.
It does. It does.
Dirty again.
Oh well.
Unfortunately, but it's not as dirty as what I thought it would be. There's still a little bit of chrome there, Sean.
Yeah, well. Anyway, we'll still set up the camera somewhere over there, and we'll try and make it look as. Oh yeah. I'll have to use a lot of filters to make the trucks look heaps better. Anyway, we'll give it a crack.
We'll give it a crack.
That's right. Enjoy. We'll catch us later. Happy Merry Christmas.
Oh, the next day.
Cheers, have a Merry Christmas,
I'm a
everyone.
camera person.
You are. we'll make an actor out of you yet.
Yeah, maybe.
Not a snowball's chance in hell.
No.
Catch us later.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.
There you go.